In today's video, we're gonna make no bullshit New York style pizza. And by no bullshit, I mean no recipes with all-purpose flour, no recipes with bread flour, no recipes with double O flour. They're all over the YouTube lying to you. These people are making homemade pizza, Neapolitan pizza. They are not giving you true recipes for New York style pizza. In order to make an authentic New York style pizza, you need one of these two bags. The first flour you're going to need is General Mills All Trumps high gluten flour. This is the bleached and bromated kind. The second bag you need is All Trumps high gluten unbleached and unbromated. So if you don't have one of these two bags in your pantry, you are lying to people in your YouTube videos. You are not making a New York style pizza dough. You are not making a New York style pizza videos. You are making homemade pizza and you're just lying to people, because you can't make New York style pizza with all-purpose or bread flour or double O flour. You need this General Mills All Trumps flour, which is what most of the New York pizzerias use. Anything else, you're just looking for views. Let's go make some no bullshit New York style pizza. So to make New York style pizza at home, you're gonna need General Mills All Trumps high gluten flour. We're gonna use this block of mozzarella cheese, and we're gonna use the pizza sauce with basil and oregano. You're ready to make the best New York style pizza on YouTube, and the only New York style pizza with the true recipe that you can find on YouTube. Here's the 24-hour fermented pizza dough. We got the cheese, got the sauce, we got the Parm cheese, got the pizza screen. Wow, look at this beautiful New York pizza. bottom cooked perfectly. Had to step away from the video. My kid woke up. Had to take care of him. I'm back. Let's try the pizza. Let's see how this New York pizza with all Trump's high gluten flour turned out. Here's a slice. Look at the back. Look at the back. It's perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked. Look at the front. The cheese, everything. The crust. Look at the crust. Just look at that. See that? Look at that. Look at that crust. It's just beautiful. Let's taste it. Tastes just like it came from the pizza place. No bullshit all-purpose flour, no bullshit bread flour, no bullshit double O flour. Real high gluten flour to make yourself a New York style pizza at home. Tastes just like the pizza from the pizza place. It's not in the water, it's not in the yeast, it's in the flour. It's way too cold outside, guys, to stay any longer. Please like and subscribe the video if you liked it. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.